the foreigners life in the Philippines. So I'm here now in our dream house. Because I asked Maricel, wife of my brother, Tata, to clean up and put water at the flower pots because my flower is dead. Because when I was bent in hospital, I was admitted, so I can come here to put water at my flowers. And so let's clean up here. This mini leaves dead to for this big tree. And there's my garden down there. And Batchoy here. Last Monday, I bring Batchoy to the hospital for check-up, and the doctors look at the rashes, and she said it's measles. So doctors give antibiotic to the doctors, vitamin E and cetirizine for the itchy. So Batchoy is okay now. So yeah. And by the way, Manong Rado said he found a big snake here, 2 big snake. Manong Rado said inside, under the carpet at the blue, what do you call that, tarp, the blue tarp. So the one big snake is dead. Manong Rado killed the big snake, so the other one is inside under the big one. So I'm scared to come. I'm scared because the snake is here under. Yeah. So that, oh my goodness, I feel really hurts in my neck. It's hard to move and move. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is a Paranoid Life in the Philippines. Thank you and God bless. It's night time now. It's night almost.